हिंदुस्तानी महसूस करता है गर्व और शान। वतन से मोहब्बत और जज्बातों को छिपाना नहीं है आसान। भाग्यशाली है वो जिन्होंने लिया है इस पवित्र धरती पर जन्म। अनेकता में एकता की मिसाल कायम करते हैं यहाँ विरासत, संस्कृति और धर्म। इस स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर हमें लेनी होगी ये शपथ, सबकी मदद और भारत की उन्नति का ही चुनेंगे हम पथ। सबकी मदद और भारत की उन्नति का ही चुनेंगे हम पथ। भारत माँ की सेवा में हर हिंदुस्तानी का लगा तन और मन। आओ करें आज़ादी दिलाने वाले उन वीर सपूतों को नमन, उन वीर सपूतों को नमन।
Freedom should not be something that you have to deserve. It's something that just naturally have. It's something that no one can take away from you. Let's celebrate
the Independence Day and good morning everyone. Very Reverend Father Manoj, the manager, Reverend Father Anish, the principal, Mother Superior Sister Rose, Honorable Vice Principal Sister Teresa, affectionate sisters, benevolent teachers, and my dear friends. We warmly welcome you all to experience a landmark achievement by celebrating the 75th Independence Day of our beloved country, India.
Reverend Father Manoj, the manager, Reverend Father Anish, the principal, prestigious guest, Reverend Father Shindo Pantonium, Mother Superior Sister Rose, Honorable Vice Principal Sister Teresa, all loving and caring sisters, benevolent teachers, and my dear friends. Today we are here to experience a landmark achievement by celebrating the 75th Independence Day of our beloved country, India. In our Indian culture, we treat our guest as God. Today's guest of honor is Reverend Father Shindo Pantonium, who is from Kharod. He is a social reformer. He is also an assistant manager of St. Thomas School. We wholeheartedly welcome you. I, Bhavi Shajed,
And I, Anal Horvath,
are going to guide you to today's delightful celebration.
तीन रंग का है तिरंगा, यही मेरी पहचान है। शान देश की, आन देश की, हम तो इसकी ही संतान हैं। My soul, body and mind feel ignited when I see those three ordinary colors merging together extraordinarily. Let's hold high our tricolor. So now we'll have a traditional auspicious flag hoisting ceremony as a tribute to our motherland. I take pleasure to call the dignitaries to wave the symbol of freedom.
Thank you for your participation in the flag waving ceremony. दाग गुलामी का धोया है जान लुटाकर, दीप जलाए हैं कितने दीप बुझाकर। मिली है जब ये आज़ादी, फिर से इस आज़ादी को रखना होगा दुश्मन से आज बचाकर। Every single Indian is filled up with perfect courage, and we stand together to put up a determined fight for an unprecedented life threatening with such a vast magnitude, with valiant Corona warriors all along the country. At the same time, our soldiers are safeguarding our frontiers. Let's salute these Indians who have not let the spirit of true India down in this testing time. To show our feelings towards them, dance is the best way. Let the students of institute whose fit job is walking, but their hobby is dancing, to display their patriotism in the form of a dance. So let's gear up for the beautiful start of the celebration.
This was indeed a lovely performance, the poetry of footsteps, cosmic tune and divine music. चढ़ गए जो हंसकर सूली, खाई जिन्होंने सीने पर गोली, हम उन्हें प्रणाम करते हैं, जो मिट गए देश के लिए, हम उन्हें सलाम करते हैं. In this high time to show our love towards the country, not only the soldiers but also the doctors, police officers, healthcare workers and cleaners have proved to be the true fighters. Let's bow to them and pray for the well-being of our country and the world. So let's call the Fatima Choir to thank these fighters by a song with nationalism in their hearts and voices. So get ready to witness a melodious song by the elegant voices.
in those melodious, deep music notes. मेरे वतन में रहने वाले जन जन का सम्मान हो. हम भारतवासी ये चाहें कि देश मेरा महान हो. सुनना चाहो तो सुनो ध्यान से. एक संदेश हमारा है. अच्छा बुरा जैसा भी हो, ये भारत देश हमारा है. We did not get our freedom in a flash, but it took away decades and numerous struggle of our freedom fighters for the attainment of independence. Let us remember their presence. We may not redeem the life lost, but we will always be there in our heart. These martyrs sacrificed their life to ensure our futures. We owe a lot to them. Now, I would like to invite Nitya Selve to present a token of respect for these martyrs in the form of a Hindi speech.
माननीय आचार्य महोदय, आदरणीय शिक्षकगण, मेरे सह सातपटीगण, आज हम सब स्वतंत्रता दिवस के पावन अवसर पर एकत्रित हुए हैं. हमारे मातृभूमि भारत का 75वां शुभ दिवस. वास्तव में यह हमारे गौरव का क्षण है. आज हमारे देश में एक दूसरे तक हर कोई जय भारत माता नारे लगा रहा है. इस स्वतंत्रता के पीछे दशकों का बलिदान और संघर्ष है. आज हम जो स्वतंत्र सांस ले रहे हैं वह कई महापुरुषों का संघर्ष का बदौलत है. गांधी जी, नेहरू जी, सुभाष चंद्र और अन्य. ब्रिटिश भारत हम सभी जंजीरों में थे. हमारे अधिकारों में समझौता किया जाता था. हमारे सामाजिक, राजनीतिक और आर्थिक स्थिति बहुत खराब थी. हम भारतीयों का कोई अस्तित्व ही नहीं था, परंतु उन महापुरुषों का पराक्रम से आज हम स्वतंत्र सांस ले रहे हैं, जिनके लिए हम नतमस्तक एवं तृण हैं. भारत को 15 अगस्त 1947 के दिन में सुनहरी आजादी प्राप्त हुई थी, जिसका लोगों को वर्षों से इंतजार था. इस दिन प्रधानमंत्री जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने लाल किले पर राष्ट्रीय ध्वज फहराया था. लोग गुलामी की जंजीर तोड़कर बहुत प्रसन्न हुए. भारत के लोग आज भी स्वतंत्रता दिवस को बहुत उत्साह से मनाते हैं. देश के प्रधानमंत्री लाल किले पर झंडा फहराकर राष्ट्र को संबोधित करते हैं. वे एक दूसरे को एकजुट रहने तथा अपनी स्वतंत्रता को बरकरार रखने की प्रेरणा देते हैं. लोग तिरंगा झंडा फहराकर एक दूसरे को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की बधाई देते हैं. यह दिवस हमें अपने महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों तथा हमारे अपने शहीदों का स्मरण कराता है. भारतवासी उनकी बताई हुई मार्ग पर चलने का संकल्प प्रकट करते हैं. स्वतंत्रता दिवस देश के लोगों के आपसी मतभेद भूलकर देश के निर्माण की प्रेरणा देते हैं. धन्यवाद.
Such a heart-stirring speech that leveled up the patriotism within us. भगत सिंह आज़ाद यहीं पे जान से अपनी खेले थे. रंग दे बसंती चोला मेरा, जुबां से यही वो बोले थे. क्या रंग था वो भी देश प्रेम का, लगे यहीं पे मेले थे. मरते वक्त भी लब उनके बस इंकिलाब ही बोले थे. Think of our past and promise that we can build a better future for all. This day brought smiles to millions of faces a long year ago, and our task is to broaden that happiness in the coming years. Our actions will make sure that the sacrifices of our martyrs will not be worthless. Let's set an epitome for the coming generation and provide them a bright India as legacy. To direct us to make our India victorious, I call upon Vidhi Chaubey to present an ardent English speech.
Very Reverend Father Manoj, the manager, Reverend Father Anish, the principal, charismatic sisters, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. Let's do our bit to make India a better place. Legacy to live for and legacy to die for. Good morning to all. Today, we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in India. We all feel really proud to be an Indian. Today, we are here to celebrate 75th Independence Day. The Independence Day marks the freedom of our country from the British Empire in the year 1947. We might have read about the struggles of men and women under British rule and their contribution to bringing this country's freedom. But I can assure you that only the iceberg's peak is known. What we read is incomparable to the sacrifices made and hardships our ancestors and country people have to go through for approximately 190 years. The celebration of Independence Day is done quite vastly in India. On this day, the cities and our hearts reflect the tricolor notion of the nation's flag, and the anthem can be heard from different directions. In the nation's capital, to be precise in Red Fort, Our Honorable Prime Minister hoists the national flag in the presence of social and political dignitaries. They pay their homage to the nation's superheroes and freedom fighter. In conclusion, bringing independence to India by freeing it from British rule was not easy. On 15th August of every year is celebrated to pay respect to the culmination of struggle, hardships and sacrifices made by Indians to bring this country's freedom. It is our responsibility as a proud citizen of our country to sincerely perform our duties and progress together for the growth and development of our country. अपनी आज़ादी को हम हरगिज़ भुला सकते नहीं, सर कटा सकते हैं लेकिन सर झुका सकते नहीं, सर झुका सकते नहीं. वंदे मातरम. जय हिंद. Thank you.
It was an oration that instilled patriotic sentiments in our hearts. Winning is fun, for sure, but winning is not the point. Wanting to win is the point. Not giving up is the point. Never letting up is the point. Never being satisfied with what you have done is the point. It's the generosity of the esteemed management to recognize the excellence of the students at the right time and award them for their success. Now, may I invite our principal father, manager father, and our loving sisters to give away the prizes to the winner of the participation held by the school administration.
No event can happen without the provision of a vast network of people. On the behalf of Fatima Convent Higher Secondary School and the entire fraternity, I extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making this event a resounding success. I extend a real hearty vote of thanks to our chief guest who spared time out of his busiest schedule to grace the occasion. A special mention to our respected principal Father Anish, worthy manager Father Manoj, obliging vice principal Sister Tressa for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best and standing as pillars of strength. We are immensely thankful to all the teachers and sisters for their ideas and enormous cooperation with the students. Our sincere gratitude to all the parents and well-wishers for their rock-solid support system. With a deep sense of appreciation, I thank my budding stars for making this event a joyful one with their impressive performances. Last but not the least, a big thank you to each present in the front of the screen. Thanks to all.
This very day fills up with ultimate enthusiasm. Now, at the end of program, we would like to add a few lines for the future caring shoulders of India.
भारत की पहचान हो तुम, जम्मू की जान हो तुम, सरहद का अरमान हो तुम, दिल्ली का दिल हो तुम और भारत का नाम हो तुम. जय हिंद, जय भारत.